What is up, YouTube? How we feeling? How we doing? It's a pleasure to be back. It's a pleasure to drop videos. I've been taking it day by day. I have really been taking. Um, I haven't been posting my videos, but don't worry, it will be coming up soon. All of my recaps, all the trades that I've been taking from last week into this week. I will be documenting my journey. I'm not gonna stop dropping YouTube videos. I'm definitely still taking you guys with me on the journey. I just need a little break because I do have exams and I do have finals that's coming up, so I do have to also focus on that as well. Um, I just put myself on a lockout until 7:30 just in case I were to be impulsive to take another trade again. As you see, we already took one trade. TP was hit. I explained the confluences in that video, but that video is not going to drop no time soon, so you don't gotta really worry about it. But just know that this is my second account. My first account, I am currently a certain amount of money away from passing. Not really going to disclose how much I'm away because I don't want to, put any of the bad luck into the air. But I am very close to passing that account as well. The only issue is I am dealing with some top step support right now just to get from the crash. I did win a trade, but top step failed to give me my money. So hopefully they do. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they do. But yeah. We already know what time it is. We have to backtest. It's normal that we backtest. It's quite imperative that we backtest. I try to backtest every Sunday. So didn't backtest 2 Sundays ago because of the fact that I did blow my evaluation on my fund of future. So I just wanted to give myself a little break from trading as a whole. But we're back. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can find some good setups. Hopefully we can find some good trades. What I'm really looking for, as you see, I've drawn out all my areas that I believe price is looking to go to. Excuse me, sorry, this is a weekly high. This is buy side liquidity. This is liquidity that I was just taking inside of inside of the liquidity range. Low resistance, sell side, sell side, sell side, sell side. I've really been trying to simplify my trading, making it as simple as possible, which I have been doing. If I take my base hits, I take my base hits. So what I'm really looking for is to see price. I'm going to show you. Do I have it on my favorites? I don't. That sucks. That really, really sucks. What I'm really looking for a price to do is if price either goes up, comes back, because as you see here, we're just consolidating in a range right now. I could go in a lower time frame and show you. Just looks like we're consolidating in a range. It looks like you want to displace lower, but I want to see price. If we're really looking to displace higher, because we are currently moving in an uptrend, I want to see price come up here, probably take out this low right here before moving up higher. I want to see an inverse or value gap form, but then I'll probably look to go long. So let's see what happens. Nice. That's a nice reaction. It's a very nice reaction. Especially on the 15-minute. If we could get this inverse off the 15-minute, I would probably look to go. I don't like how all the candles look the same. I don't like that it's whatever. 30-minute inverse. Nah, 15-minute has the best inverse. So if we get this, I'm probably gonna go to a lower time frame. We got a 5-minute inverse. That's actually pretty good. I like a 5-minute. 5 minutes give me strong conviction. Um, but I do want to see a high. I do want to see the highest time frame inverse. So if we can get this 15-minute inverse, see, that's exactly why I don't trade. So if we get that 15-minute inverse, I would go long. See why I didn't take that? Cause oh yes, cause it had gap also, but it's not even on the 15. So good. All right, this is where I would look to go long. Look to go. I'm also trading. I'm sorry, I didn't mention this, but I'm also trading December price action. I would look to go long here, but I would definitely take a base hit somewhere around here. But at the same time, we have a bunch of low resistance liquidity. Honestly, I would just keep this running. If I'm being honest, stop loss at a lower low than this because I'm also very aware of how Nasdaq likes to move. So put like two. Um, see what happens. Hopefully we can get a strong. Actually, I really want to see a candle close above this high. feel like this might not be the best call yet because yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Nah, nah. I'm quite confident. Quite confident. If we got a candle close on the 15-minute, that's more than enough confirmation for me. Alright, so I'll put 5 stop loss here. TPO. Wait, am I trading on MNQ or something? Like, what? Alright, so I'm gonna put 15. Alright, I feel like that's a drag. Nah, like 12. 12. I don't know why it's. I usually like to risk around. What? Okay. Okay. I'm going break even at this high right here. If we come back to it. Okay, break even. Okay. That was pretty nice. Um First trade. Usually it takes me a while to get warmed up, but I don't even know what time this is. Shoot, I didn't even wait. God damn. I should have waited until New York session. I could have easily got stopped out here. Like by a tick. Woo! I'm glad I gave that some breathing room. But yeah, I kind of figured Price wanted to take out this low resistance liquidity before displacing any higher because it just makes sense, you know? Why would Price have all this low resistance that it's not going to do anything for it? Price just wants to come out. I do want to know what exactly led to Price having that little slam down though. Did we tap into a gap by chance? I swear I didn't see any high time frame gaps. We didn't. That's why I'm quite confused. Why did Price have that reaction there? Was it due to like a? I don't know if it was because we took. No, we didn't take this high yet. It's interesting. It's very interesting. All right, moving on. Um, let's get rid of these stuffs right here. If you hear music in the background, it's Legend of Zelda. I love it so much. It's one of my favorite. Don't need to worry about that high. That high's now been taken. I think we can now move on to New York session. And to be honest with you, um, literally the next candle, bro. Come on. What? Wow. That's how New York session started? This is 9 o'clock though. Bruh. Bro! Wait. Well, to be honest, we probably wouldn't have caught a move anyway. We probably wouldn't have caught a move anyway because uh we don't have any positions there waiting for us, but hold on, let me. But yeah, I don't think we would have had any positions waiting for us. And the reason I'm saying this is because we didn't come back and retrace into any zones. This would have just been a continuation. Like I would have had to wait for price to mitigate into this gap and then have a reaction. But it was 9:30 that I was waiting for. So if this is the 9:30 candle, then that's the 9:35 candle. That is like we kind of didn't have any positions to begin with. We did take this liquidity, so therefore we could consider that as a new area. I do want to see a retracement, and I want to see what price is looking to do. If we have any lows that we could target for price, that would be amazing. We do have this low right here, coming into a small gap. So we have that internal low right there. Also have this right here. Excuse me. Um, this looks like it could be a good trade. I definitely feel like we could also come in and take this low as well, because this is also creating equal lows here inside of a 1 hour gap. So if price does end up coming back and taking out this low, I probably would look to go long as well. Um, we definitely created a move, and then on top of that, we created another move. So depending on how price is moving, it really is all on price to give us that signal, and then we react. So let's see what we could find. Let's move on to the 5 minute. If we're just gonna continue moving higher, then my thing is I'm kind of unsure what price is looking to do, and the reason I'm saying that is because we haven't swept any liquidity. Yeah, we haven't swept any liquidity. I don't consider this as a liquidity sweep because we did close above on the 4 hour time frame. We did not tap into this zone, which I should mark also. So after that point, it's really just looking to see, wait for price to give us a signal. But I genuinely think we might just come down and just grab some liquidity and continue to move higher. Uh, yeah, let's see what happens though. If we're just gonna go higher, then we go higher. Okay, we're just gonna go higher. So that's probably what price was looking to do. Um, take out this high. Now we just finally took out this high. Now it really is all about waiting and patience right here. This is about patience because we need to know what price is trying to do. Are we going to go up higher? Are we going to go down lower? What exactly is price saying? So that's why I would probably wait for the highest time frame inversion to either signal we're going long or to signal we're going short. Okay, we just tapped into this 5 minute and we definitely displaced higher. We're looking to go long here. Price is not giving us any. Okay, now it seems like we're having a change in the state. The reason I'm saying that is because we made a new low. This low has now created a change in the state. So now what I'm really looking for is a confirmation on a higher time frame that we are going to inverse, and we could probably take a little base hit trade and probably target into. I'm really looking to target into this zone specifically because I don't think that's just wait. That might not be bad. But I think it would be smarter to take a trade past this point into the 1 hour fair value gap. That might be my base hit trade. So we just gotta wait and see what happens first. We just need that confirmation. So I'll wait on the 30 minute, get that 30 minute inverse, and then I'll probably look to go short. Pretty like a 1-to-1. I could probably take like a quick 1-to-1. Yeah, they all align. They all align. We just took liquidity, so alright, cool. So now it's really just looking to catch a base hit. This will be the trade, base hit trade. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I do want to see a 1-to-1 though. So at least a 1-to-1. This isn't an A plus. This is more of a liquidity sweep, rejecting into coming back into a zone and then giving and then signaling what it's looking to do. I do want to see price come back into this zone though for sure. So let's go short because we now got that candle close. And I won't risk a lot. I'll probably risk like 6 contracts. Oh, but that's a lot. Okay, all right. Might have lost. Yeah. Most consolidation I've seen in a while. All right. Oh, wait. Um, I would go break even, but I do need more confirmation. Like I said, you already know. Nah, this is my break even. Once we come here, this is my break even. Oh! Uh-oh. 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 We got stopped out. I didn't want to take a bad RR trade though. It's cool. It's actually quite normal. But this honestly would have been a trade that I would have taken. I don't care about the RR anymore as long as it gives me what I'm looking for. But this actually gives me more confirmation that price is looking to go short, because now we had just disrespected inverse for value gap again due to that. So we could definitely look to go short and probably target that low again with an even better RR. So we don't gotta, you don't gotta put too much stress on it, too much dip in our chip. Now we could take this trade. This looks even better. Um, Look to sell here. 5 contracts. I'm confused. This time I'm looking to take out this low. Yeah, looking to take out this low. But it is kind of insane though, because we really had that position literally saying, hey, you want to go lower. These inverses have been disrespecting a lot, I see. Wait, don't tell me it put me in 2 different trades, dude. Oh, man. Honestly, I would have been fine for that base hit right there. It's okay, though. Because I knew once price tapped into this hourly, we were going bullish, bro. I should have just taken the base hit, man. I should have just taken the base hit. I got to start taking my base hits and not letting the RR bother me, because I usually would prefer to go for a 1-to-1. It is very unfortunate to see that, though. But I did not take 2 trades, bro. That's actually quite insane. It's okay, though. We took this high. Took this. Took this. Took this. Yeah. We're going to get back, though. We just got to find an A+ setup for real. Are we at all-time highs? Oh, no. If we are at all-time highs, that's going to suck. I'm not an all-time high guy. Oh, no. We got to wait for a pullback now. Trading all-time high is hard for me because I really don't like trading all-time high. Like, it's not the best feeling, especially when you like don't really know. But hey, this could also be a way for me to see how to prepare myself for all-time highs. So, be fire. This is mainly just gonna be me watching the market, seeing what's gonna happen for real. Did we tap into any zones here for price to react that way? Nope. Oh, we did. We tapped into a 2-hour. I didn't see that. But I need more than just a 2-hour confirmation for me to know. So I'm just gonna sit this one out and just let price do its thing. Like, what I'm really looking to see is genuinely some form at least of a pullback. Alright, we created a new low into an internal order block. No, into an order block. Didn't even take the low though. Alright. All-time highs is not for me. It's really just like a scalping. I said scalping. Scalping position, like where you just wait. Honestly, this is a turtle soup. Could wait for this. And this would work. Excuse me. Because we have now created a new high, we pushed up, we broke structure. We still missed this low. Okay. Now we might have caught a position. Not right now, though. Because if we're displacing like this, if we're rejecting this range, we're itching to touch that zone. Yeah, we're itching. Thank you. Thank you. We finally touched that zone, so we can disregard this one. Because this zone really created the move, for real. Don't got to worry about that. We can now look for long positions into this high, this high, and this high. Now what I really just want to see is what price is going to do, though. That's the first thing I need to check. Because now we just tapped into an internal order block. So let's watch and see how price moves. Okay, so we're actually displacing lower. Change the state of delivery, but that does not mean that price is not looking to still go bearish. I want to see this 30-minute inverse. If we get a 30-minute inverse from this, I could look to go long here and target a base hit. I'm not looking for a full position because we still got to be aware. Nice. Playing in the range. Playing in the range. Yeah, I need a candle close. Beautiful. Do we have a 1 hour gap preventing us? Any gaps? No. Anything from the 1 hour, 2 hour? If we're breaking above this, honestly, there's no point. We might as well just look to go long. Target all three. But I'm taking my TP at one area, so this is the position I'm looking to go for. Putting 12, 15 contracts on that. I stopped worrying about like losing because now it's just more of accepting. So let's just watch this play out. What am I doing? Nice. We have no reason. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Was this an opening candle? It was. Damn, we just passed the eval. We basically just passed the eval in just what? We just full ported past the eval in one trade. I guess that's how it is, but nice. I saw it coming though. Can't say I didn't see it coming. Can't say I didn't see it coming. I waited patiently for the setup to present itself, and then I entered off the 30-minute inverse. I waited for the turtle soup, and as you see, I'm playing the role that we are now in a bullish trend. So it's like, if we're bullish, what's really the point of us taking out all these lows when we're in a bullish trend, right? So once again, I do not, and I repeat, I do not like trading all-time highs. It actually bothers me, and I'm now getting overstimulated. So let's continue. I do not know what's going to happen. So swing low, swing high. If we keep on moving higher, yeah, disregard this then. But we have a lot of bullish intent going on. So got these lows right here. Got these lows right here. Coming to the. Yeah, it's not looking the best. The only way for me to want to go long again is if we take this low. We could potentially lose this because if we take this low and then boom, price doesn't respect it and we don't have any like drawn liquidity, what are we gonna take? That's why I'm kind of confused. That's why I don't like trading all-time highs, because you never know what's going to happen. But let's see. All right. I want to see this 5-minute get inversed. We're not respecting this. We're clearly respecting both bearish intent. So this is a 15. Oh, this is a 15-minute. be forgetting we have 15. It's not a 30, but we did take the liquidity. Um, See, I knew it. I knew it. It's always something. All right, we could look to go long, coming back into this range and taking TP all the way up here. This is like a one. Like this is usually the type of. I'm not gonna lie. These are usually the type of trades that I would take. So, um, since I already kind of won the eval, we didn't lose actually. We didn't lose. So since we technically won, I could look to go long here, not really worry about anything. Okay. What do we... Oh, we took this high. I didn't realize. We took this high. But we are now entering a order block. So, okay. I would look to go break even here. So break even now. Because since we already had that move back down, it's really just looking to go higher. Okay. Break even. Understandable. But imagine we hit my TP after this. No, we don't. And that's why we went break even. That is exactly why we went break even. And that was a smart decision that we made. But yeah. I think I should just pause here and then continue to do this again. But to be honest, I actually like doing this. So let's continue. So since we're now finally getting that change in the state, we're tapping into this 2-hour gap, sweeping this low inside of this 2-hour gap. If we could get if I see a rejection candle after this, I think we could look to go long. We're already coming in our range too. Yeah, we're perfectly in our range no matter where we put our low at. No, we're not. We're not in the range here. We're not even, we're barely making a range here. So I think it's best we wait for a little bit more mitigation down. What? Let me guess, it hits my TP too? No, it actually doesn't. It should first come into the gap and then make that decision. I bet my TP gonna get hit. I knew it. I wasn't gonna. That's kind of an obvious bullish trade. So it's not like I'm gonna sit here and be like, oh, we won that. Nah, I knew we were gonna win that anyway. So, um, yeah, we now took that liquidity. So, ooh, ooh, and we're disrespecting 4-hour gaps. Ooh, ooh. I think we are finally moving bearish, guys. But once again, I still want to see this zone get taken, this low get taken. So as soon as this low gets taken, we inverse this too? Okay, so then I could look to go long here. Yeah. We have nothing, and I mean nothing that's stopping us from going long. So what was the point of going? Was it to come back into this range? Interesting. Full port, chat, full port, full port. If I see one candle, I'll full port. One bullish candle, I'll full port. Yep, full porting. And full porting to the highs. No stop loss, gang. No stop loss. I'm brave. I'm brave. I'm confident. I'm confident. Inverse for value gaps rock. I'm confident. I'm that confident. I'm that confident. Break even here, bro. I'm not playing no games. Bow, bow, bow. Bro, I didn't know where to put my stop, bro. That's why I was like, no, where do I put my stop? I was quite confused on where to put my stop loss, if I'm being honest with you. But it was pretty obvious that this TP had to got that had to get hit after we just inversed and we had no gaps on the higher time frame that was going to prevent us from touching into this zone. So I promise you, I'm not a bad trader, man. I just get anxious sometimes. I just get anxious. All right, are we finally gonna drop now though? That's like the real question. When are we gonna drop? I think I took nothing but 99.9% longs, and we're still going higher. I'm just gonna end it here, bro. We're already at the halfway point. I'm gonna end it here. We did good today. We only lost one trade, I think. Uh, I didn't lose. When did I lose? Whatever. I'm just going to stop caring about that stuff. That stuff doesn't even matter. But hopefully, I have a good trading week this week. Praying I do. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you guys have a good trading week this week. I'm not gonna post any videos until I pass my evals. So then I could probably just look forward to like obviously working towards getting my first payout. And yeah, because I have been letting social media get to my head a lot. So it's best I just stay off the grid, work on becoming a better discretionary trader, understand market structure, understand what the market's looking to do. And yeah, guys, I will be back though. Don't think that I'm gonna stop making content. I love content. I love you guys. I love the community that I'm creating. And I definitely want to create a larger community with you guys, especially if you guys are interested in learning from me. But I want to make trading as simple as possible. So if that's something I could work on, I will. And I hope you guys will stick around for that journey. Um, Take care of yourself. Take care of your families. I will be uploading this video, but I will not be uploading any trade recaps until I pass my evaluation. I'm not going to let you know how far I am in the progress, but just know that, with the grace of God, everything will happen. So just pray. Enjoy your Sundays, guys. It's not over yet, so pray. You know, take care of yourselves. Remember that trading is not your entire life. Go get a job. Nah, not don't get a job, but go do a hobby. Go find something that you really are passionate about aside from trading. Cars, you know what I'm saying? I like eating, which is bad. It's glutton. It's a lot of gluttony, but I'm trying to stray away from that. Um, listening to music. I know people. I love music. In the background, you still hear it to this day. I'm playing my Legend of Zelda, Sheik's theme. If you guys know about that, Ocarina of Time, you know. And yeah, I wonder how long I've been recording for. It's been like, yeah, 30 some minutes. I don't want to hold you guys hostage here, but hope you guys do enjoy the video. Hope you guys take care of yourselves, stay confident. I'm trying to work on my confidence, build it. I know it will all happen with God, and we will definitely achieve our dreams and our goals. So I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care, and always love.